This is Electric Total Parts Pro today with 2023 MGHS stock number 7093. It's ran from the 9th 2019 to the 12th 2024. It's an SAS 23 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SAS 23 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch thick Amigo tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch thick Amigo tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch thick Amigo tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch thick Amigo tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen, sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,